Power your radio off a USB power bank? Sure enough, stick around, I'll show you how. Alright, hello YouTube. Got the FX4CR on the bench here, and many of you know I power it with a little hobby battery. It has the right FT60 connector, which the radio uses. And these have served me well. They're pretty small, light, and everything, and they have enough power in them to power the radio for a couple hours. But on a recent trip, I depleted the battery quite a bit, operating long enough, and I didn't have a way to charge it. I didn't bring a charger. These hobby batteries have a nice power charger with them that monitors the temperature, because there's no BMS inside these to help charge it. So I didn't have a way to charge it, so I thought I need a different solution, and that other solution is a USB power bank. And you may say, whoa, hold on, Barry, isn't USB 5 volts? Well, yes it is, but a lot of the modern protocols like PD or here IQ3 or IQ cubed have the ability to output several voltages besides 5 volts. For this power bank, it will do 5, 9, 12, 15, and 19 volts output off of the USB-C or the USB-A connector here. And the way you get this to output 12 volts for your radio is to use one of these guys right here. This is a PD trigger board, and what it does, there's a chip on there that you tell it, and this one is set for 12 volts, but that chip will actually, when you plug in the USB-C cable to it, it'll send the protocol to the power bank to say, hey, I'm a 12 volt device, and the power bank will output 12 volts. So USB-C in here, and then 12 volts available across these two tabs here. You can find these on Amazon really cheap. This thing is, I think I bought a pack of 4 for 12 bucks, so super cheap. And as you can see, all I did was take a XT60 cable and soldered the leads onto it, and heat shrunk it in there to protect it. Now these boards are only good for, this particular board is only good for about 3 amps, which is just fine for the FX4CR's 20 watt output. I wouldn't operate it a long time at that, but for you QRP guys out there, your 5 watt radios or even 10 watt radios will be just fine with 3 amps at 12 volts. This power bank has a nice little display here. It tells you how much it's charged, and if you look, powered up here, USB-C cable to the trigger board, and yep, 11, so it says 11.8 volts there. And you can see it's on, it's drawn about 2.7 watts right now at receive only. I think when I had a QSO last night, and at 20 watts I was drawing about 27 watts according to the battery bank. So here it's pretty good capacity battery. I think it's 20,000 milliamp hours for this particular Anker. I like that it has a little hour meter here. It says at 2.7 watts. I got 13 hours of operation left at 75% battery. So, you know, if I'm 27 watts of transmit, that'd be 1.3 hours of pure transmission time. So even on a heavy activation, I should get a couple hours, 2-3 hours out of this battery bank. But more importantly, when I'm running the battery down, I could just take it back to the hotel room or wherever I'm at, plug it into a USB charger, and charge it right back up to full power. Also, I got 2 more outputs. This particular charger is 200 watts of output, so I can get my 3 amps for my FX4CR out of one. I can high-speed charge my phone on the other. I can even get the tablet on the third. So all off of the same battery bank. Another thing I can't do with this hobby battery. So I think it's pretty versatile. It is a little larger, slightly heavier, but this integrated display, the ability to recharge, and I don't get questioned at the airport when this is in my bag versus a bunch of these, but and I think they're about the same price. I paid $50 for a hobby battery, and this was $75, so a little bit more, but I think the convenience is well worth it. There you have it. Just a quick video. Thought you might enjoy that. Maybe some of you guys knew about trigger boards, but I saw these on Amazon and thought, hey, let's try it out. And I think it works great. I'm going to try it out in Hawaii. I got a Hawaii trip up. I'm going to be operating from the beach. We're going to test this Anker out. So that's what I had for today, guys. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm going to say goodbye. 73.